$6,200 PC Vault for December and January. For the CPU we have the Intel Core i7-4960X. This is a great top-of-the-line CPU. The motherboard we will use is EMGA X79 Dark. This board has everything you will need. For the graphics card we will use is Forge GeForce 780 Ti in SLI. This will be crazy fast. The RAM in this build will be Corsair Dominator Platinum. This is a very popular RAM selection. To keep the PC cool we will use custom LUT cooling and LED strips for a good look. The power supply we will use is Corsair X1200 by 1200 watt power supply. This is a great power supply. And last the case will Oracle X Predator Devil Red Edition, because of its epic looks.